Today we're going to be reviewing our dialogue tag rules. This is on page 6 of your packets. Please fill in the blanks along with me. So the first dialogue tag rule is going to be the indent. In order to indent, this is most specifically when you're typing. Otherwise, if you're handwriting this, you just go in a finger's width or two, and that's your indent. But if you're typing, you want to hit return, then tab once every time someone new is speaking. So then this will create a new paragraph and make it very clear that the speaker in our dialogue is changing. Okay? The next dialogue tag rule is to capitalize. You want to capitalize the first word inside the dialogue quotation marks. Always, no matter what, whether the dialogue comes before the dialogue tag or after the dialogue tag, you want to capitalize that first word, okay? Next is punctuation. Dialogue tags are followed by a comma when they start the sentence. So for example, if it says, Miss Miller said, comma, quotation marks, take out your notebooks, period, okay? And that period would go inside the quotation mark. So notice Miss Miller is speaking and what is being spoken will be surrounded in quotation marks. Next, regarding the dialogue tag, make sure you have a dialogue tag for each spoken sentence. If Miss Miller is speaking, please say, Miss Miller said, Miss Miller exclaimed Miss Miller. You can change it up a little bit, but make sure that's very clear. You can use your pronouns here as well and say she said or she exclaimed, as long as you've stated the speaker first. So for example, you could say, Miss Miller said, please take out your packets. Later, she said, now I'm using the pronoun she. Later, she said, take out your pencils as well. Finally, regarding the structure, there shouldn't be more than one speaker per line or paragraph in dialogue. Please do not have multiple speakers within one giant paragraph. No, separate every speaker, every new spoken sentence with a nice paragraph, which, going back to this indent, creating new paragraphs for our speakers, okay? So if you have any questions, please let me know. These are the general dialogue tag rules, which will be very helpful as you write your narratives. As always, happy writing.